500 in that all suppliers, customers, sales reps, carriers are all maintained in what's called a business partner file. Okay, so when you set up a supplier in Sage X3, that supplier is available no matter what company you're dealing with. In 500, you would have to set that supplier up for each company that you have within your structure. So it really eliminates that duplication of effort on suppliers, on customers in X3, because you don't have to have duplicate sets of suppliers, duplicate sets of customers. That also relates to the products. When you set up a product, when you set up a bill of material, when you set up a routing, those are all across the enterprise in X3. Whereas in 500, you have to set up that same work center across each company. So again, that product has to be set up in each company. In X3, you would set it up once and it's available for the enterprise. Now you can limit that if you only have products that are applicable for a specific company. You can actually set that structure up inside X3.